Hello friends and welcome to our channel. Today we're back with another short and simple Photoshop tutorial. In this lesson, I'll show you how to quickly apply a black and white effect to your photo. These tutorials may seem simple, but during heavy editing project, they can be extremely practical and time-saving. If you remember them, you'll save a lot of time, so don't miss out on these simple tricks. First, open your desired image in Photoshop. Then from the top menu, go to Image, Adjustment, and select Black and White. A window will pop up with several color sliders: red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and magenta. Each slider controls how much a specific color is converted into gray in the black and white version of the image. Red. Increasing it makes red areas lighter. Decreasing it makes them darker. Yellow. Often affects yellow and skin tones. Increasing it makes skin appear brighter and more appealing. Green. Affects plants and other green areas. Increasing it brightens greens. Decreasing it darkens them. Cyan. Affects light blue skies or water. Increasing it brightens the sky. Blue. Affects the sky and blue shadows. Increasing it brightens the sky. Decreasing it makes it darker and more contrasted. Magenta. Affects magenta colored items like clothes or flowers. Increasing it brightens them. Decreasing it darkens them. In short, each slider controls the gray intensity of its specific color, allowing you to fine-tune the contrast and mood of your black and white image. In the preset section, you can use Photoshop's built-in presets. Let's check a few of them. Next to the presets menu, there is a small gear icon that lets you create your own preset or load one you've previously saved. At the bottom of the panel, there is a tint option. When enabled, it applies a color tone over the black and white image. The photo is still black and white, but a uniform color overlay is applied. This can completely change the mood. For example, a brown or warm tone gives a nostalgic feel, while blue creates a cold and dramatic atmosphere. This effect is sometimes used for artistic or vintage looks, similar to classic or cinematic photos. Once tint is activated, you can use the color picker to choose your desired hue and saturation. There are also two additional sliders at the bottom for adjusting the tone and intensity with precise values. After applying the desired effect, click OK, and you'll see your image transformed. For a quicker method, you can use the keyboard shortcut Alt plus Shift plus Ctrl plus B to open the black and white panel directly. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure you do so to get more tips and tutorials. Also, by turning on the notification bell, you'll be among the first to know when new tutorials are uploaded. If you have any questions about this tutorial, feel free to ask in the comments so we can help you out. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.